Okay, just gonna take and put the pins back where they go. Get the hose lined up. Snap. And you just install your bub, your low beam bub with this GMC Yukon. Now this one was about 25 bucks I believe, but I found out that there was some cheaper, 15 bucks and up. I mean, you can go high as you want depending on the company or the style type, but you can get these cheap. The Virtual 2. Installing the low beam headlight on this 2004 GMC Yukon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Gonna take our new bulb here, nice and shiny. Just put it back onto the harness, snap, and just ready to slide it back in. Line up the tabs and twist. Just the way it wants, not to twist the other way. Well, whichever way it twisted. Okay. Feel like it's twisting the wrong way, but as long as it's in, pretty good. Okay, anyway, we got them in. Gonna slide it back into place.